This is Mathematics for Form 2, Lesson 3. And today we're looking at algebraic formulae. Topics to be covered: form an algebraic formula based on the situation, change the subject of a formula of an algebraic equation, determine the value of a variable, solve problem involving formulae. So how to form an algebraic formula based on the situation? A formula is an equation that shows the relationship between a few variables. Example, you have write the formula for the area A of the rectangle shown in the diagram above. Okay. So in this case, you have a rectangle. So you know an area will be area area is equals to length times width. Length times width. Okay. Okay. Length times width. So basically, we say A equals to 2P multiplied by P. Okay, this is 2P squared. Right. Now, another example, you have x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, y equals to 1, 4, 9, 16. The table shows the distribution of x and y, shows the formula y in terms of x. So basically, if we have a table like this, so if we see x is 1 and y is 1, x is 2 and y is equal to 4, okay, which is basically 2 squared, and then x is 3 when y equals to 9, which is equal to 3 squared. So in this case, we can say that y is essentially 3, sorry, y is essentially x squared. Okay, y is x squared. Basically, when you substitute y into x into y, you get x squared. Okay, so like say when x equals to 4, y is equals to x squared, which is 4 squared, which is 16. It's in the table. Huh? Okay, change subject of a formula of an algebraic equation. Subject of a formula is a variable that is expressed in terms of other variables. It must be a linear form with a coefficient of 1. The variable of the subject of the formula is usually returned on the left of the equation and the right on the right hand side of the on the variable of the subject of the formula is usually returned on the left of the equation and the expression on the right. Example, express the variables in the bracket a equals b plus c. So you have to convert it write it in terms of b. So it says a equals to b plus c. So what is it in terms of b? So b is equals to a minus c. Okay, next one. E equals to f minus 3g. So this is part A. Part B, E equals to f minus 3g. So you need to write in terms of f. So f equals to E plus 3g. Next one, h equals to I over 2j. So what is in terms of I? C. H equals to I over 2j. 2j. Okay, so in that case, what is I? I equals to h multiplied by 2j, or okay, 2jh. So express now d, p equals to square root of r minus s. P equals to r minus s. P equals to square root of r minus s. So we take it the other way around. R minus s equals to p square. Then r is p square plus s. Okay, p square plus s. So e square equals to a square plus b square. What is b? So this is e square equals to a square plus b square. So it's asking what's b, huh? So basically you take b square equals to e square minus a square. So b equals to square root of e square minus a square. Okay. So given the formula m equals to 3n minus np over 4, express n in terms of m and p. Okay. M equals to 3n minus np over 4. So you need to write n in terms of m and p. So first you take 3n minus np equals to 4m. Okay, so we take n, 3 minus p equals to 4m. Factorize it and becomes 4m over 3 minus p. Okay, given r equals to 4s minus t, find the values of r and s are when, okay, sorry, this part is determine the values of a variable. Given that r equals 4s minus 3t, find the value of r when s equals to 4 and t equals to 3. So r equals to 4s minus 3t. So s equals to 4 and t equals to 3. So 4 times 4 minus 3 times 3 which gives you 16 minus 9, which gives you 7. So R equals 7. Value of t when R equals 2, S equals to 5. This was A. Huh? So if we write an equation first, R equals to 4S minus 3t. So we say R equals 2, S equals to 5. 2 is part B. 4 times 5 minus 3t. So minus 3t equals to 2 minus 20, which is minus 18. So t is equals to negative 18 over negative 3, which is 6. The price in RM of a customer who stays in a hotel for T days follows a formula P equals to 215 plus 75T. A, find the value of P when T equals 3. Okay. So P in this case equals to 215 plus 75T. Okay. T is equals to 3. Okay. Therefore, P will be 215 plus 75 times 3. This gives you 215 plus 225. So here is 440. Okay, 440. Calculate the number of days the customer stays in the hotel if he pays 815. So in this case, this is part A. Part B says P equals to 215 plus 75T. Okay, so it says here P is equals to 815. So therefore, five t. So 75t equals to 815 minus 215, which is 600. Therefore, t will be 8. Okay. Solving problems involving a formula. Next part. Okay. Example 7. Diagram above shows a piece of rectangular land that is used to build a park and a garden. Okay. Hussein wants to fence up the garden with a wire. Express the perimeter P of the garden in terms of h and k. Okay, so we need to find the perimeter here. First of all, we need to find the length and width. Okay, length and width. So the length here would be 35 minus h, and the width here will be, that's not length. So the width here will be 35 minus h, and length here will be k minus 5. So basically the perimeter here, P here, would be 2 times 35 minus h plus 2 times k minus 5, which gives you 70 minus 2h plus 2k minus 10, which will give you 2k minus 2h plus 60. Okay, that's part A. Now, part B, if the area of the park is 265 meters square and k is 10, calculate the value of h. So basically, we need to find h. So you need to find the area of the park. Okay. Now, the length, so this part B. Now the park, okay, this is the park. So the length would be k, okay, and the width of the park, length with the park would be park and garden. Okay, maybe this way, sorry. Okay, basically how to find the area of the park. So area of park is equals to whole land area minus area, maybe I put this way, garden area. Okay, garden area. So first step, we find the land area first. Land area will be 35 times k, which is 35k. And then garden area would be, here we say we got the perimeter just now, right? So we just take 35 minus h, multiply this by k minus 5. Okay, 35 minus h multiplied by k minus 5. Okay, therefore we were given that k equals 10. K equals 10. Here would be 35 minus h times 10, which is 350 minus 10h. Okay, what about the area of the land area? So, sorry, since k is says 10, so here would be 3, 5 times 10, which is 350. 35 times 10, which is 350. Okay, so area of park is given by 350 minus 350 minus 10h equals to 26. Okay, 10h h is 26.5. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.